Hi, I'm Ed Lorenzini, the CEO of Analyze Corporation. Once you've built a prospect list in Analyze 360, the next step is to turn that data into results. And that's where our new guide comes in. In this new guide that we've written, we break down 5 proving campaign channels, and we allow you to understand how you can reach your audiences in each of those channels with confidence. First channel is direct mail for local outreach, email for low-cost engagement, phone for personal connections, social media for awareness and retargeting, and SMS for high-impact reminders. Each one of these different channels has its own strengths. We talk about them all. And then when you combine them with the Analyze 360 data, the results are even more powerful. So don't forget, you can use all those channels, but when you get the results back from those channels, you can loop them in to Analyze 360 again. You can see exactly who responded. You can compare lists, and then you can refine your next move. So if you've ever wondered, I've got the data from Analyze 360, now what? This new guide is your roadmap. You can check out the guide and start putting your list to work today.